First, the top news headlines. Sambit Patra announces possibility of Manipur Assembly revival and vows BJP's commitment to uphold territorial integrity. Opposition leader questions Prime Minister Modi's responsibility as president's rule imposed in Manipur, slams inaction and demands clear plan for peace. Kokome demands time-bound election, slams BJP legislatures as fear of military rule looms over Manipur. And 5 among others individuals arrested for brandishing assault rifles in a viral football match videos at Kangpopi district. A very good evening. You are watching ICE English News. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Following the imposition of President's rule in Manipur, BJP Northeast in-charge MP Sambit Patra reiterated that the state's territorial integrity would remain intact. He emphasized the BJP's commitment to restoring peace and stability in Manipur, underlining the party's dedication to addressing the ongoing tensions and ensuring security. Sambit Patra stated that illegal infiltration into Manipur would face stringent measures. He also mentioned that the State Assembly has been placed under suspended animation based on the governor's report indicating it could be revived as deemed necessary by the President of India. He affirmed, as far as the BJP is concerned, we are committed to peace efforts in Manipur and safeguarding its territorial integrity.
After the report by the Honorable Governor of Manipur, the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmuji, has put the Assembly of Manipur, the State Assembly of Manipur, under suspended animation, meaning that the Assembly of the state can be revived on a future date as and when the President of India deems fit depending on the circumstances in the state. As far as BJP is concerned, we are committed to the continuing efforts of peace in the state and most importantly to maintain the territorial integrity of Manipur. I repeat, there would be no compromise with the territorial integrity of Manipur. BJP also firmly stands for the fact that any kind of illegal infiltration into Manipur will not be allowed and will be dealt with severe hand.
The president of the BJP Manipur, A. Sharda Devi, addressed the media in Imphal, stating that following N. Biren Singh's resignation on February 9th, the President of India, under the provisions of the Constitution, imposed a state of suspended animation in Manipur. She clarified that during this period, the Manipur Legislative Assembly is not dissolved and retains the ability to resume its functions at any time.
Nantang mapan Chief Minister N. Biren Singh resign tawgraba matungda ngasisi constitution gi matungin na governor na constitution gi process amaga loina na suspended animation Manipurda thamne masi gi house dissolve tawbudi nate house se tanja chaba matamda leiriba irang sigi kitang yengaga aduma hingatpa yaba dugumba in suspended animation doni thamni ase.
The imposition of President's rule in Manipur has raised serious questions about Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership and his government's failure to address the prolonged crisis in the state. Opposition leaders are now demanding answers from the Prime Minister, who has so far avoided visiting Manipur or presenting a clear plan for peace. As the N. Biren-led government give up power in Manipur, leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi has accused Prime Minister Modi of neglecting his responsibilities. The BJP's inability to govern Manipur has been exposed. The imposition of President's rule is a belated admission of their failure, Rahul Gandhi stated on social media. Critics have long questioned Modi's silence and inaction on the escalating violence and unrest in Manipur. Has Modi finally made up his mind to take responsibility? Rahul Gandhi asked, pointing to the BJP's lack of concrete solutions over 19 months of the turmoil. As Manipur is now under President's rule, all eyes are on Prime Minister Modi. Opposition leaders have intensified their calls for Prime Ministerial accountability, criticizing his absence from Manipur and the lack of a clear peace strategy. Congress Rajya Sabha MP Jairam Ramesh remarked on Friday evening that the Prime Minister's extensive international travel contrasts sharply with his avoidance of Manipur. Ramesh highlighted growing public discontent, questioning why the people of Manipur feel neglected and insulted. Furthermore, Ramesh stated that the BJP's options have dwindled, attributing the resignation of the Chief Minister to be a loss of confidence within BJP and NDA circles. He linked recent political developments directly to what he termed as BJP's strategy of polarization and divisive politics following their substantial electoral victory in February 2022.
Because they could not agree on a successor to Biren Singh. They tried, some permutation, some combination, but clearly they could not find a successor to Biren Singh. Biren Singh's continuation was untenable because the no confidence motion would have been passed. They couldn't find a successor to Biren Singh, so they had to impose President's rule. Let's see, we'll talk to our party colleagues, we'll have internal meetings, whether we should demand midterm polls in Manipur or not, that remains to be seen. We'll have to discuss this. But immediately our demand is Prime Minister must visit Manipur.
Imposition of President's rule in Manipur, despite the BJP holding a clear majority in the State Assembly, has drawn sharp criticism for undermining democratic principles. According to the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, the imposition of President's rule is a calculated attempt by the central government to push Manipur further into turmoil. They allege that the BJP-led central leadership is deflecting blame onto its own legislatures instead of addressing the real issues. COCOMI stated that the decision aligns with demands from Kuki militants and separatist groups, raising fears of the Meitei community being placed under direct military control. The COCOMI also slammed Manipur's BJP legislatures for failing to propose an alternative leader, accusing them of prioritizing personal gains over their duty to the people. This inaction, COCOMI claimed, paved the way for the central leadership to impose President's rule under the pretext of a leadership crisis. COCOMI has demanded a time-bound process to elect a new leader and restore the state's government. The organization called on the people of Manipur to remain vigilant and resist any move to suppress their democratic rights, warning that failure to restore governance would make BJP leaders directly accountable for the political betrayal.
Singulba undemocratic oiba president rule imposition is unacceptable. Accept of the aduga high report say India democracy fabric against the chatpa popular majority mandated legislators in Laina president imposed over have said must against the democratic principle of the country ni aduna high report si kokomina athubada Manipur miyangi wherever pibum singasi yengakanda ekogi legislators in the chatari but home say matam akaknaba matam amagi manungda makoi maseni marakta election tokuni khande moi masen BJP ki office ta BJP ki president na secretary na aroma point toroga moi masen gi oiba organization ni manungda election na toroga chief minister se khanbe yaba kesuli do forum khamne masi tawdana moi sarang na matam mahal ga lei sida di center na kuthing janbe yana ba moi si center na high ba understanding moi makha tawre da ha ba miyam na yam kan chingnai anu high policy na makha ta na smaina sum tawta raga di Manipur ki miyam na makoi singasi politically adum loba irresponsible oiba Manipur miyam ki mandate Manipur miyam na pi bu board adu betray toba khongthang ma thangjalakuni haidana akoina hairiba Manipur ki legislature singasi matakta soidana logani.
In a development, Manipur police have apprehended 5 individuals allegedly seen brandishing firearms during a local football match held at K. Gamnimphai village ground in Kangpokpi district. The arrests were made following the circulation of viral videos depicting the suspects dressed in football attire while holding AK rifles and M-Series American rifles. The arrested individuals have been identified as Mangtin Len Kipgen alias Bing Mang, age 26 years, Mangtin Len Kipgen, age 24 years, Saithen Mang Kipgen, age 28 years, Lunmin Sai Kipgen, age 21 years, and Lunkogin Kipgen, age 24 years. The footage, which quickly garnered widespread media attention, raised concerns about public safety and the presence of arms during community events. Police authorities are conducting further investigations into the incident to ascertain the motive behind carrying such sophisticated weaponry in a public gathering. The incident has sparked discussions on security measures and the enforcement of regulations to prevent such occurrences in the future. A resident of Loksang Khong Mayai was apprehended by the Manipur police under Porompat police station in Imphal district for allegedly vending pre-activated black SIM cards using falsified identities. Upon the arrest of the individual identified as the Khelambam Sanatunba Meitei, aged 27 years, police recovered several items believed to be connected to the illicit operation. These include a registered agreement on a non-judicial stamp paper worth 100 rupees and affidavit on a non-judicial stamp paper valued at 20 rupees and multiple SIM cards identified as Jio and Airtel, some marked as MNP and 5G Plus respectively. Also seized were a mobile phone model Mi-12 Pro suspected to have been utilized for unlawful activities and various identity documents such as an Aadhaar card and a BSNL retailer ID, both issued in the name of the Khelambam Sanatunba Meitei. Additionally, the police recovered miscellaneous items including mobile care seals, biometric fingerprint scanners from brand StarTech, Mantra and Secugen and a white cloth presumably used during photography. The accused is presently in police custody pending further investigation into the matter. The Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch, under the leadership of Chairman Narendra Ningomba, distributed blankets to internally displaced persons (IDPs) in various relief camps across Bishnupur district. The distribution took place at several camps including Laimaram SC Girls Hostel, Thambalmari College Oinam, Tera Khongsang B Khudek P Mamanglikai, Wangu Selungkhong Upper Primary School, Wangu High Secondary School, Kumbi Tera Khunau UPS, Yaima Model Girls High School, Kumbi and Moirang Khunau Mamang Sabal Mandop. The initiative was supervised by Secretary Athokpam Nabachandra, Treasurer Premjit Nauroibam and other prominent members of the society, including IRCS Bishnupur District Branch Secretary Dr. Huidrom Roman, life members Oinam Brojen, Stephen Takhelambam, Soibam Rakesh, Maikam Binde and Anom Binoy. The blankets were provided to help the IDPs stay warm and comfortable as they continue to reside in the relief camps. The contributions of 200 blankets aim to alleviate the suffering of the displaced individuals and families affected by the ongoing crisis in the region. The Patriotic Writers Forum PAWF Manipur has revealed the names of the distinguished recipients of its annual literary awards honoring significant contributions to Manipuri literature. The announcement was made by PAWF President Nauribam Khambaluwang. The Arambam Ibungohal and Binod Kumari Literary Award 2024 will be conferred on Suresh Khundongbam from Yarikpok, Poirau Khongzin Makhalekai for his remarkable work, Masa Pandabatin. The prestigious R. Kathing Tangkhul Literary Award 2025 will be presented to Rajkumari Nayan Saba Devi of Palace Compound for her work Punsi Lambira Noroki Lambira. Meanwhile, the Pacha Meitei Literary Award 2025 will honor Kaisam Vijay Kumar of Kaisam Thong Hodam Lerak for his work Khongul Lirukhige, and the Dr. Saroj Nalini Arambam Parat Literary Award 2025 will be awarded to Thokchom Thauyangba of Kongba Laisramlekai for his work Khwaidagi Hauba Khonni. The award ceremony will be held on February 21st at Ima Banquet Hall, Kaisampa Junction as part of the International Mother Language Day celebrations organized by PAWF Manipur. American Oncology Institute at Babina Specialty Hospital, located beside Sajiwa Jail Road in Imphal East, has received the prestigious Excellence in Nursing Practices Award from the Association of Healthcare Providers India, AHPI, at the AHPI Healthcare Excellence Awards 2025 ceremony held in Kochi, Kerala. The award recognizes the Institute's exceptional nursing standards, patient-centered care, and innovative healthcare practices, surpassing competition from over 200 hospitals across India. The award highlights include acknowledgement for outstanding nursing education and training, excellence in clinical efficiency, patient safety, and compassionate care. Dr. Dhabli Thangzam, CMD of Babina Groups, expressed gratitude for the achievement, emphasizing the dedication and efforts of their nursing professionals in ensuring superior patient care. He affirmed the Institute's commitment to upholding high healthcare standards and advancing medical excellence in the region. Under the supervision of Deputy Commissioner of Farzol, Dharun Kumar S. and Additional Deputy Commissioner Zosanglar Jaute, a social work initiative was organized today to clean the office rooms and its surroundings within the DC Farzol camp office. The event saw active participation from various departments, including the JET-EO, police and DC office staff, who came together to contribute to the cleanliness drive. The collaborative effort aimed at maintaining a clean and conducive working environment for the district administration. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla extended heartfelt greetings to the people of Manipur, particularly the Naga community, as the state prepares to celebrate the vibrant Luingani festival tomorrow. In his message, the governor emphasized that the festival, deeply rooted in tradition, symbolizes joy, gratitude, and prayers for a bountiful harvest. He highlighted the festival's role in fostering unity, peace, and harmony and inclusivity within the community. The governor also noted that Luingani has grown to be a significant tourist attraction, promoting the shared cultural heritage of the region. He expressed his hopes for lasting peace, harmony, and progress for the state and its people. Meanwhile, Speaker T.H. Satyabrata Singh also conveyed his warm wishes for the occasion. He described Luingani as a seed-sowing festival celebrated by the Naga tribes of Manipur, with the term Luingani derived from the Tangkhul, Rongmei, and Mao languages, meaning seed-sowing. The speaker noted that the festival is an occasion to honor and appease the gods of crop and pray for the well-being of the people. He wished the Naga tribes and the people of Manipur a prosperous and bountiful year ahead. Both leaders expressed their best wishes for a joyful and harmonious Luingani celebration. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Sambit Patra announces possibility of Manipur Assembly revival and vows BJP's commitment to uphold territorial integrity. Opposition leader questions Prime Minister Modi's responsibility as president's ruling post in Manipur, slams inaction and demands clear plan for peace. Kokomi demands time-bound elections, slams BJP legislatures as fear of military rule looms over Manipur. And 5 among others individuals arrested for brandishing assault rifles in a viral football match videos at Kangpokpi district. Well, that's it for now. Keep watching ICE News and have a great evening.